Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this vegan Biscoff cake. Let's begin. So to get started on the recipe, you'll want to make the vegan kind of buttermilk alternative. So into a bowl place your alternative milk and your vinegar, mix the two together until they're combined, then set aside until needed later on. Into a large mixing bowl, you can then go ahead and place in the following ingredients, which is all your dry, so your light brown sugar, your self-raising flour, and your raisin agents. And then just mix these on a low speed to start with, working your way up to a medium-high, just until they're combined, as brown sugar can be a little bit lumpy. Then add in the buttermilk, or the alternative buttermilk that we made, followed by the oil, and then your vanilla. And mix everything, keep the mixer going as you're adding these in, and mix until the mixture is smooth. It should be quite liquidy, that's what you're looking for. Don't forget to give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and divide the batter between two 6-inch cake pans, and you may think this is a lot of mixture for two 6-inch cake tins. Don't worry, it's the perfect amount and it will rise perfectly to the top, so it'll give you two thicker layers. But if you want three thinner layers, you can do that, but make sure you change your baking time to relate to that. All that information that you need will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out. So to start on the icing for this cake, grab yourself a large mixing bowl and place in your alternative butter, followed by some Biscoff spread and the icing sugar, not forgetting to add in a generous amount of vanilla. Then mix all of this on a low speed to start with, working you up to a medium-high speed, and as you progress the speed up, you'll notice that the buttercream, or the icing, becomes much smoother and much more voluminous. It does need that time, so around 7 to 10 minutes works really well. Once you've achieved that, it should be quite light and fluffy. Give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then you can start decorating, so grab yourself a plate, board or stand of your choice, and place a blob of buttercream in the middle. Then place your first layer of cake on top, and you can decorate it however you like, but I decided to pipe blobs around the outer edge of the cake. Then pipe a bit in the middle, and fill the centre with some Biscoff, because this is a Biscoff cake after all, and we want as much Biscoff in there as possible. So just a generous amount and just spread it out. You don't really need to warm it unless it's really cold where you are, but generally you can just spread it because it's quite spreadable. Place your second layer of cake on top and repeat the process with the piping. So just pipe around the edge, and then you don't have to do it necessarily all the way through to the center unless that's how you're going to leave the cake. But again, I'm putting a generous amount of the Biscoff spread in the center. So you don't really need to make it perfect as it's going to be hidden, but look at that, that's a generous amount of Biscoff spread if I've ever seen some. So to hide the scraggly edges of the Biscoff spread, I just pipe another layer of blobs around that, then finish it off with some Biscoff biscuits. I'm using the cream-filled ones, but feel free to use whichever you can get your hands on. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to my social medias. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.